mountaineer in India?
She,
ఎవరు వాళ్ళెవరు? నువ్వు పట్టుకోవద్దు వాడు వస్తారా చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు.
she is named Bachendra Pal. Bachendra Pal is the first lady mountaineer in India. She born in Uttar Pradesh, who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Thank you.
Thank you. Lasya. Lasya, who is the first lady governor in India? Who is the first lady governor in India?
Sarojini Naidu was the first lady governor in India. Sarojini Naidu, also known by the Nightingale of India. She was born in 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu served as the first governor of the province of Agra from 1947 to 1949. Thank you.
Mr. Pranav, who is the first lady army officer in India?
Punita Arora. Punita Arora was the first Indian army officer. She was born 13th October 1932. She is the first general of Indian Armed Force. She awarded a Param Vishist Seva Medal. She has been awarded with 15 medals in her 36 years career. Thank you.
Very good. K. Sravanti, who is the first lady chief minister in India? Who is the first lady chief minister in India?
Sucheta Kripalani was the first lady chief minister in India. She was born in Punjab. She was an Indian freedom fighter and politician, serving the head of the Uttar Pradesh government. Thank you.
Anusha, who is the first lady teacher in India?
Savitri Bai Phule was the first lady teacher in India. She was born in Nigeria. She was an Indian social reformer and poet. Her husband's name is Jyotirao Phule. Thank you.
Vaikuntham, who is the first Miss India? Come fast. First Miss India.
Premila was the first Miss India. She is born in Kolkata. She was crowned as Miss Missoria. Thank you.
Very good. Sailaja, who is the first lady IPS officer in India?
Kiran Bedi was the IPS officer in India. She is born in Punjab. She is a retired IPS officer and tennis player. Thank you.
Varaprasad, who is the first lady actress in India?
Devaki Rani was the first lady actress in India. She is born in Visakhapatnam. She is also textile designer and singer. Thank you.
Guruvardhan, who is the first High Court Justice in India?
Anna Chandi was the first lady High Court Justice in India. She was born in Trivandrum. In her retirement, Chendi served on the Law Commission of India. Thank you.
Mr. Navid. Who is the First Lady Prime Minister in India?
Indira Gandhi was the first Prime Minister in India. She is Indian politician and central figure of the Indian Female National Congress Party. She was the daughter of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. She awarded Bharat Ratna also. Thank you.
Sushma. Who is the First Lady Pilot in India? నువ్వు పక్కకు రావాలి. First Lady Pilot.
Sarla Thakral was the first pilot in India. She was born in Delhi. She earned an aviation pilot license at the age of 21. Thank you, everyone.
Joshua. Who is the First Lady IAS officer in India?
Anna George was the first lady IAS officer. Anna George was the first lady IAS officer in India. She was born in 17th July 1927. She belonged to the 1957 batches to married to R.N. Malhotra. Batchmen, thank you.
Srinija. Mahesh. Mahesh. Who is the First Lady Supreme Court Justice in India?
Padma Baby is the first day Supreme Court Justice in India, the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any higher judiciary. She served as a member of National Human Rights Commission and Governor in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Nandini. Who is the First Lady Doctor in India?
Anandi Gopal Josh was the first lady doctor in India. She was born in Mumbai. She was the first female graduate with a degree in medicine. Thank you.
Kalyani. Who is the First Lady President in India? Monisha.
Pratibha Patil was the first lady president of India. She born in Maharashtra. She previously served as a governor of Rajasthan. She is the member of Indian National Congress.
Very good. Monisha. Who is the First Lady Advocate in India?
Cornelia Sarabji was the first lady advocate in India. She was born in Nasik. She admitted to the Allahabad High Court in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
ఈ అమ్మాయికి మైక్ అవసరం లేదు, పెద్దగా చెప్తుంది. సో ఒక 3 మెంబర్స్ మిస్ అయ్యారు. మీలో ఎవరైనా ఈమెను రికగ్నైజ్ చేయగలుగుతారా? ఎవరైనా మీకు తెలిసినవా, ఎవరైనా ఎక్కడైనా చూస్తున్నారు, మీకు ఐడియా ఉందా ఈమె ఎవరో? ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. సారీ క్లాప్స్ కొట్టాలంతా. ఫస్ట్ లేడీ రైల్వే డ్రైవర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా సెంట్రల్ రైల్వే. సురేఖ యాదవ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఈ చెప్పే అబ్బాయి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు ఇంటికి. స్రవంతి, హూ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లేడీ ఫోటో జర్నలిస్ట్ ఇన్ ఇండియా?
Humayra was the first lady photojournalist in India. She was born in Gujarat. She awarded Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian award of the Republic of India. Thank you, everyone.
స్టూడెంట్స్ చెప్పాలి, ఈ లేడీ ఎవరు? వెరీ గుడ్. మనకి భారత్ రత్న అవార్డు తీసుకున్న మొట్టమొదటి లేడీ ఎవరు? భారత రత్న అవార్డు తీసుకున్న మొట్టమొదటి లేడీ. ఏమండి, ఇంతకు ముందే ఒక అబ్బాయి చెప్పాడు భారతరత్న అవార్డు తీసుకుంది మొట్టమొదటి లేడీ ఇందిరాగాంధీ. తర్వాత నోబెల్ ప్రైజ్ విన్నర్ లేడీ ఎవరు? నోబెల్ ప్రైజ్ వెరీ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. 20 మెంబర్స్ని, దాదాపు 18 మెంబర్స్ చాలా మందికి తెలియదు. ఫస్ట్ లేడీ గవర్నర్ కానీ, హైకోర్టు జస్టిస్ కానీ, సుప్రీంకోర్టు జస్టిస్ కానీ, ఫస్ట్ లేడీ డాక్టర్, ఫస్ట్ లేడీ లాయర్, ఫస్ట్ లేడీ సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్, ఫస్ట్ లేడీ ఐపీఎస్, ఫస్ట్ లేడీ ఐఏఎస్, ఇలా మొత్తము ఫస్ట్ లేడీ మౌంటైనర్ క్లైంబ్ బిపిన్ చంద్రపాల్. వీళ్ళంతా చాలామందికి తెలియదు. అంటే లేడీస్ కదా, మేము కొంచెం దాన్ని ఫామ్లో తీసుకొని వచ్చాము. అందరికి తెలియాలి, లేడీస్ యొక్క గొప్పతనం అందరికీ తెలియాలి. ఇంతసేపు ఈ జెంట్స్నే చూపించుకుంటా ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి లేడీస్ని కూడా తీసుకొచ్చి చూపించాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.